Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. Our trade room schedule and a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. All times are Eastern time, and let's get started. Okay, Sunday, January 26, 8:30 p.m. No trade room, but there is an event, Chinese manufacturing, non-manufacturing. Our first trade room will be Monday, 9:30 in the morning for new home sales. We'll be back in the trade room Tuesday morning, 7 a.m. for Boeing's earnings, 8 o'clock for durable goods, and then 9:30 for CB consumer confidence, a family money trade. 12:30 p.m. on Tuesday for the 7-year note auction, 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report, another family money trade, and then 7:15 p.m. for Australia's quarterly CPI. Wednesday at 3 in the morning, you might want to check out Spain's GDP, a quarterly report. You could check it out on the Euro futures. We'll be in the room Wednesday at 8 o'clock for wholesale retail inventories, a new report. Let's see how that works out. Back at 9:15 for Canada's rate statement and pending home sales and crude oil inventories. We'll stay in the room for all of those events. Then at 1:30 p.m., the FOMC statement. Wow, that is going to be huge. 3:30 p.m., earnings, Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla. Make sure you come to that trade room. Three major earnings all at the same time. Thursday, 3 a.m., Spanish flash CPI, no trade room. You might want to check it out with the Euro futures. Our first trade room on Thursday will be 5:45 in the morning for UPS and Caterpillar earnings. Then we'll be back at 7:45 for the ECB main refi rate and advanced GDP and unemployment claims. No trade room for pending home sales and natural gas, but we will be back at 3:30 p.m. for Intel earnings and Apple earnings. Friday at 8 a.m., core PCE price index with the employment cost index and Canada's GDP, then back at 9:15 for Chicago PMI. Check your email, please, for opportunities to become a pro member. These are some great events coming up this week. You don't want to miss these fantastic opportunities. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. I'll see you in the trade room.